headed to this restaurant called STIRR. It is in Addison, and Cedric and I went there not too long ago, and it was so good. Oh my God, it was freaking delicious. We didn't even expect it to be that good, but it was pretty good. The service was good.
Then we tried to go back a couple nights ago. They were closed. Way too late.
Yeah, because I was fiending for some dessert. There's this dessert. Maybe if we're not too full, we'll get today. There's this dessert that was freaking delish. It was so good. So yeah, we're headed there to get something to eat, and then I really want to get back into walking again and exercising, and I want to start lifting weights. Really lifting weights this time. I was playing last time. I want to do it for real this time. I want to work on the arms, and I want to see, start lifting weights to the point where you see some positive results. When we first started walking a couple of years ago, we were doing the weights and stuff a little bit, and I actually saw some difference. Seeing some muscle definition, a little definition. So this time I want to go beyond that. So this is Sidebar Social. We gotta come here.
Yeah, they have
one of these days.
They have one in Frisco STIRR. So you trying to go in?
I'm just gonna peep in.
Nice size bar.
So we'll have to come here one day. Not today.
Yeah.
We got our appetite set for starting. So
some
the
stuff.
sun's coming out too.
Yeah, the thing about Sidecar Social is
Is it sidecar or side?
Yeah, Sidecar Social. I never heard anything about their food, so not sure. I know they're a popular little sports bar. Pretty sure they are popular, on Saturdays during the college football thing, and on Sundays. So
I'm sure our girls probably. Well, no, they have been there. So we'll try that one of these days. You know where I want to go?
where is that?
To Brandscape.
So that's one of our other yard houses, a popular spot. We were there the other weekend, late night. So
Was it last weekend?
Yeah. So we first went to the first one for first time. Was that in Atlanta? So.
And then after we went there, we were like, "Oh, do we have them in Texas?" And they didn't have that one here, I don't think. Then.
Yeah, I think it was recently opened, not too long after we went to the one in Atlanta. So we're heading over across the street over here to STIRR. But yeah, this is it's a very popular area. So
It's only supposed to be in the 80s today, low 80s. So it feels really, really good. I like things like this. So we have made it to STIRR. A nice seating area.
So you got the corner booth, which is nice, bright. You see everything.
Figure out what we're gonna eat. What do we have? We had the fish. I think it was fish.
So this is the brunch. Well, the whole thing is, I guess. Is yours not brunch, or you got a different one? It says brunch.
Oh, it says. What do we want?
I'm not even sure what I had a taste for today. to share the the plan is to share the chicken and waffles.
Yes.
So you see we're in Texas. They got the Texas shaped waffle.
That is also quite
That's part of the sugar. And then we're going to share the breakfast tacos. So far, it looks pretty good.
It does. This is our first time coming here for brunch, so well, y'all know we like first lunch, so we'll check this out and report back. Let you know how it goes. So far, the mimosa, it was actually orange juice and pineapple juice that we mixed in with the champagne, and it's 10 out of 10. It's so good, delicious.
10 out of 10. That's
10 out of 10. I love it.
good endorsement.
It looks good. So we shall see. Delicious. Really, really good.
Yeah, we can tell. You ain't got but one bite left. You can tell.
Look, you should have been filming. But yeah, I would rate it as 10 out of 10. It was so good. The breakfast taco, the eggs were cooked to perfection. They had the bacon was like a what did the bacon have? The bacon was some type of cream type of bacon.
I think it's jalapeno bacon.
Yes. And then these potatoes are freaking delish. Cooked to perfection. And then I love the waffle. The waffle, I'm not a waffle person because I don't like a lot of thick dough. I just can't, my gut can't take it. But this one is light and it's just the right amount of consistency of dough is. It's just perfect. Well cooked, well seasoned. I love it. So I'm going back and forth between the breakfast taco and and then the chicken. So we got chicken and waffles, and then we got the breakfast taco with the big potatoes. And very good. So you like that?
Yeah. It's like I told the waiter, every time we come here, the food is pretty good. So, no complaints. 10 out of 10.
And then look, let's turn around. See? Some waffles are just too freaking thick. I mean, this is thick, but it's well cooked. Well cooked. So I just love it. And then I like the warm maple syrup. And then the chicken has a little bit of spice to it. So
It's win-win.
mimosa is good. I'm happy.
Take up some space.
Okay, I'm trying to do better with the stretching, okay? It's so important. Oh, God. And it feels so good.
Yeah, it's definitely needed. You don't want to be, it keeps you from getting injured later on and sore.
And then, oh my God, this feels, it feels good. Okay.
So I already got my stretching earlier. Yeah, I did. Went to our little home gym. Did a couple of things, but not enough stretching, but a little bit.
We feel ready. That's all that matters.
Ready as you can be.
Yes.
So this particular park is very close to the Allen Outlets. So it's pretty scenic. We like coming over here. It's nice sidewalk and it's not too crowded usually.
It's never that crowded. And then I love it because of, you got a lot of, like in the summertime when it's like hot. All of these shade trees just makes it very pleasant walk. So,
Yep.
I
So
like
we see we
it.
had some people on bikes. Actually, it's probably not a bad place to go in the summer since it's pretty shaded.
I know. That's what I was just saying. It's really nice because it's well shaded. Lots of really nice trees, and then the sun. Look how big the sidewalk is. Huge. I love it. So I can't wait. When the trees, the leaves start changing colors and stuff, it's gonna be so gorgeous.
No.
It's pretty. Look, the bridge. Look over here. See,
Open
nothing
field.
like being out in nature. You know, it's just you can't beat it.
Yeah, you cannot beat it.
Yeah. Just make you want to sing. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be nice?
So according to this, we've done 0.8 miles. So we hadn't quite hit a mile yet.
So we go down and back. And that'll be it.
Get to the restaurant.
Yeah, let's get ready to turn around. Because I've been drinking more water.
22 minutes, 25 seconds.
So we just hit 1 mile.
Okay, so we can turn around and then that'll be 2 miles back.
Yeah, but we'll go ahead and go under the bridge and turn around.
Okay, that was good. It was good. Oops. Trying to put my seatbelt on. I'm talking about it was good. That was a good little workout. Now we're gonna go get our eat on. Oh my Lord. It's a little hot now. Yeah. So we did right at 2 miles, right?
A little over 2.2. But trying to get back into it.
Get back up to 3.
The Boardwalk. This is where we're
Over
at.
here.
What's that?
I really do like it over here. It's got a lot of area, outdoor seating here, a lot of outdoor patios. What are those chairs? Those
Adirondack chairs.
that is a word.
Yeah.
Those chairs. I like those too. They're super comfy.
Not good. So I had said we do have a reservation. So I had so we will eat out on the patio. I guess we'll see if there's any shade out there. Yacht Club. So you ready to get your eat on? We had a reservation. I guess we can take it off the list.
What's the name?
Cedric.
All right. Do we want the outdoor patio or the covered patio?
If there's a nice shaded area, maybe outside, would be
Okay,
nice.
yeah. We have plenty of umbrellas out there and misters if you want that.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, you guys can follow me. Here under like the umbrella, or there's a mister over there.
Here's looks pretty cozy.
It's just gonna be right down the hallway to the right. I like your workout, like how it's by the way.
got your champagne. That was about mixing in. Got a little. This is pineapple juice and cranberry.
I love the pineapple. So did you mix both or you just did that?
A little bit of both.
I'll do a little. And what's in there? Strawberries?
Looks like it.
Oh, wow.
Most of these are some big little.
Okay, I didn't realize they were that big. It is so nice out here. The weather is like perfect.
Perfect day for some mimosas. So my steak dish. It's
So what? It's steak with the
little,
tortilla chips.
yeah, and the avocado, onions. So you got the fruit, you got the potatoes, and you got the breakfast tacos.
So good.
And the mimosa.
Yeah.
All good.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good and plenty.
I bet all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in the beam.
But oh, see, this is nice, folks. So nice. This is in Plano. This is Plano. This little area here has, as you can see, just nice little seating outside, patio seating, lots of restaurants to choose from. So they're gonna go to this one right here, Yacht Club, which the breakfast was really, really good. Or brunch, I should say. So it was good. After you eat, you come over here and just kind of chill out and relax. Let's sit on the bench for a minute and let the food digest. Let's do that.
You want to sit?
Cedric and I are just playing it completely by ear, y'all. we have had brunch and all of that good stuff, and now we're over here at Legacy East, and we're gonna hop out and just kind of. This park is so nice, so we're gonna head over here and just hang out for a little bit and take y'all with us. All right, it's really nice over here. Y'all see it? Oopsie.
It's been a while. We've come over here a few times and kind of walked around.
Yes. But
It's still nice.
it's really nice.
We want to go down, I suppose.
Yeah, let me stop it right quick.
We're covering a lot of ground this week. Today, walking. I thought we were going to do
Catching up on those days that we were slacking. Trying to catch up with all this walking today.
yeah,
It's nice though. Look how pretty that is. pretty. It's pretty.
A lot of talking on camera.
Look, I know y'all probably can tell I'm the talkative one. I am the talkative. I like to talk. So pretty. Yeah, this one's nicer because you're not directly in the sun. Oh, what a nice way to end the evening.
I didn't think we were going to do that many.
It was very impromptu. Very last minute. Oh, there's so many turtles out here, you guys.
So this is the Atlanta for turtles.
Yeah.
Where all the turtles go.
Right there. There's another one. They probably tell their turtle friends, "Y'all need to come over here with us."
Party over here. But they over here in the LA area, so there's some bougie turtles, I'm sure.
They are definitely nicely upscale.
Go out there. They have one in the center, and there's more things. So this is the ice cream place. So all that walking. Yeah.
You got what day? Hey. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Life is meant to be enjoyed. Okay?
Hello. Pistachio.
Two of the special pistachio and one of the
How is this? So we ended up not only getting ice cream, we ended up getting some Dubai chocolate. But first, the ice cream, what you got? Chocolate and pistachio.
Yes, it's so good. So good. I'm in heaven. Y'all, I am really in heaven.
You had to walk twice as far next time.
We're
Next
good.
time.